प्लीज एक बात मेरी सारे कान खोल के सुन लो। 15 दिन में हमें 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स करने हैं, तो वीडियो देख रहे हो सब्सक्राइब करो, और पसंद नहीं आ रही तो नीचे कमेंट छोड़ो। क्वेश्चन पूछना है कमेंट छोड़ो, ये क्या मतलब होता है? मैं आती हूँ, बोलती हूँ, चली जाती हूँ, कोई कमेंट नहीं, कोई लाइक नहीं, कोई शेयर नहीं, क्या मतलब है ये? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lakshna Makkar. So today I'm yet again back with another episode of More Retro Talks. I think it is the third episode or the fourth one. Let me check. Allow me a minute please. मैं भूल गई कौन सा episode है. Sorry. दो मैंने याद किया था वीडियो बनाने से पहले, but then मैं फिर भूल गई कौन सा वाला episode है. You guys have been showing so much love on More Retro Talks. I'm like wow. मतलब मैंने आज पोल डाला कि मोर रेट्रो टॉक्स देखेंगे या जयपुर ब्लॉग्स, मतलब आई वॉज 70% yes फॉर मोर रेट्रो टॉक्स, मतलब इतना भी यार, all for you. And one more thing to tell you, one second, I'll just check which episode of More Retro Talks is this. Yeah, I'm not wrong. It's the third episode of More Retro Talks. मैंने कभी imagine नहीं किया था मेरे 2 episodes आप लोगों को इतने पसंद आएंगे, मैं third भी करूँगी. Anyways, so one more thing I want to talk about before I start this is that thank you so much for showing this much love to my channel, showing love to me, just being there a part of me and getting me hundreds of subs. So today I was just going through YouTube dashboard and everything. So I've got 103 now, and I want to grow my family as much as possible, as soon as possible. But 28 days and 100 subs is, I love you all. I love myself. So I love you all too. So more retro. Let's have a more retro. Coming back to topic. So welcome back to More Retro Talks, where we talk about modern and retro talks and anything and everything that you guys want to discuss. So before any further ado, let's get in the video. चलो, आज मैंने फिर वही किया, नोटबुक में क्वेश्चंस रखे हैं, पर हमने गले के लिए पानी नहीं लाया. I got coffee. I was sipping in coffee, so I thought coffee will do. I'll tell you this funda. So I have this transparent tumbler and I have this glass, this cap from the Bhalura tumbler. So just mixed mash today. And my hair clip also says love. I love you. Coming towards the first question. आज मैंने questions बस ऐसे ही randomly उठाए. I'm not blah डाला anything. The first one I'll be answering that I got in the last video. As soon as I uploaded, I got a question. मतलब it's like a question only. So if a person is ready to confront and it's I'll read the question again. Blah. I'll start with the question. First question, please. That I got in the last video. If a person is ready to confront and settle the issue, even tried, but the other person is hiding oneself despite doing the same. I think if you are ready to solve something and the other person isn't ready and isn't looking forward to talking to you, might be possible दूसरे बंदे को कुछ ज़्यादा लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स हो आपसे, या आपने कुछ ऐसा कर दिया कि बंदे को बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट हो गया. द पर्सन डजंट वांट टू रियली even look at you now. बहुत ज़्यादा possibilities हैं. And if you are trying to talk to a person, there are different ways of talking to a person. If you come and talk to me directly, I'll just say हाँ ठीक है. But if you come to me indirectly, I'll be like, what is this? No, this isn't happening. So I feel it's like you just have to do it the way the other person likes. So if I like being very simple, you come to me directly, talk to me, and that's very cool with me. But if you're sending someone indirectly and talking to me, it's very impossible for me to react anyway. And secondly, अगर आपको लगता है कि वो बंदा आपसे नहीं बात करना चाह रहा है या नाराज है या कुछ भी है, I think आपने अगर you tried certain times, like maximum you should try is 5 times. I have a 5 to 5 funda. So try 5 times. Tell the person I'm sorry. Tell that I was wrong. I did it wrongly. मेरे से गलती हो गई. And just try and make that person do something that makes that person happy. Like, I'll give you an example. Like shopping makes me happy, so whenever I feel guilt or I feel bad about anything or anything as such happens, like even if I have a fight with my dad, right? So I tell him, अगर आप मुझे ये लेके दोगे तो मैं बहुत सॉर्ट करूँगी. So it's all about happiness. So whatever the person feels happy in, you can do that for the person, and might be that person starts talking to you again. Maybe he or she if they matter to you a lot, do something for their happiness, make them happy, and eventually you'll get back to the person. And अगर तब भी वो बंदा आपके पास वापस नहीं आना चाहता ना, तो baby girl, baby boy, whosoever who's asked me question, please move on. Doesn't matter. बहुत लोग आते हैं लाइफ में, and if it's a family matter, if in case it's someone from your family, तो भाई हाथ जोड़ के बोल रही हूँ, मत छोड़ना, मनाओ जितना मना सकते हो. आपकी मम्मा नाराज होती है, आप 10 बार 50 बार 60 बार 70 बार मनाते हो ना, तो वैसे ही वो भी आपका फैमिली मेंबर ही होगा. बट इट्स लाइक योर फ्रेंड और समवन आउटसाइडर एंड इजंट टू क्लोज टू यू, सो जस्ट लेट इट गो. एंड अगर फैमिली मेंबर भी आपको इतना मैटर नहीं करता, तो लेट इट गो. एंड सीरियसली बताऊं तो इफ द पर्सन इज रियली इजंट इंटरेस्टेड, माइट बी आपने ही कुछ गलत किया है जो बंदा अब नहीं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. मैं एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, आप कोई भी बंदा होगा एक गलती को 1 बार 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार माफ कर देगा. बट जब वो लिमिट, एक लिमिट होता है हर किसी के पास. लाइक आई हैव अ लिमिट कि 2 बार गलती कर दी, तो आई वॉन्ट अलाउ यू द थर्ड टाइम टू डू द सेम थिंग. सिमिलरली हर किसी का एक लिमिट होता है. जब वो मतलब दिस इज माई लिमिट ना, अगर ये लिमिट तुम ऐसे क्रॉस करोगे ना, आई विल नॉट लेट यू इन माई लाइफ. सिमिलर माइट बी द केस फॉर यू. सो आई थिंक यू शुड think over it again. If you particularly want that person back in your life, talk to the person face to face eventually. And then also if the person doesn't agree, then I think you should try multiple times if possible, if you want to. And if then also they're not interested in talking to you, just let it be. No, how does it really matter? The thing that really matters is self-love. And when you have lemons, you can make lemonades. When you have lemonades, you cannot make lemon, darling. So you have to work it that way only. So just be happy with whatever you have. And someone really doesn't want to talk to you, I think you should just let it be up. And if you've tried, you can let it be. If you haven't, so go try it. Say the person sorry, हाथ जोड़ के माफी मांग ले, apologize कर ले, क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? कोई छोटा थोड़ा हो जाता है सॉरी बोलने से. चीज पीने से खत्म होती है, बोलने से तुम्हारे अंदर से वेट कम नहीं हो जाएगा, तुम्हारी शक्ल नहीं गिर जाएगी, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है यार. सॉरी इज जस्ट अ फीलिंग, जस्ट अ जेस्चर व्हिच यू कैन से ऐसे, पर वो दिल से आना चाहिए, तब वो अच्छा लगता है. वरना इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स. आई फील सो. मतलब ये मेरी फीलिंग थी जो मैं करती, जो मेरे से कोई नाराज होता है तो. बाकी आपकी मर्जी, आपकी इच्छा. आपने मेरे से पूछा, मैंने आपको बताया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. I'm sorry, मेरी इसमें थोड़ा दर्द हो रहा है. There's one question on my YouTube channel again, on the comment section only. Am I a counselor? No, sorry, I am not a counselor. I'm a hotelier, but yeah, I just love talking to you all, so I just ask you questions as a gesture. You give me questions and I try and relate it to my life and answer you whatever I've learned. So I'm not a counselor, I'm a hotelier. And you know guys, I don't know how to cook well. Being a hotelier, I know how to manage, but I'm not good at cooking, so sorry, no chef skills at all. Okay, next question. How to control your emotions? I think I'm really bad at it. I'm really bad at it. Emotions control करना is very difficult in my scenes, but I know कैसे कर सकते हैं, but मैं करती नहीं हूँ. अगर if someone yells at me, I yell back. Then अगर मुझे रोना आता तो I'll cry. If I want to laugh, I will laugh. So I would just सामने वाला बंदा डांट भी रहा ना, हंस दिया तो हंस दूंगी मैं. So I feel emotions can be controlled only if you start doing meditation. Start meditating. If you start meditating, you'll be able to control your body, able to control your feelings. Once you can do that, you can just control your emotions. Like boom, bam. कोई नहीं पता. Next question. How to stand for yourself? I'm the best example. I think standing for yourself is the best gift or the best thing that you can do for your fucking self. Sorry. Best thing that you can do for yourself. मुझे ऐसा इसलिए लगता है because जब तक आप कोई कुछ कह रहे हैं और आप अपने लिए उस जगह पे खड़े नहीं हो रहे, तो भैया आपका अपने आप से क्या नाता, क्या रिश्ता. Let's suppose this is my specs. If I want to wear it, I will wear it. And अगर ये कोई specs तोड़ेगा तो मैं लड़ूंगी, क्योंकि ये मेरी हक की चीज है. Because I can't see without them. तो ये मेरे हक की चीज है, so I will have to fight for it. अगर यही चीज कोई तोड़ देना, बोलूं चल कोई ना और बस पैसे भी नहीं और लेने का, so that would be like मैं अपने हक के लिए लड़ी ही नहीं हूँ. So I think that's the most vital and the most important thing that you have to forever do in your life. You have to stand for yourself. be supportive to your own self, love yourself, and just stand out of the world and be there for yourself. Nobody is gonna come and tell you कि I am there. No, you have to stand for yourself. कई जगह ऐसी भी होती है आप सही होते हो, पूरी दुनिया बोलती है आप गलत हो, तो वहां पे आप खुद अकेले खड़े होगे, अपने लिए कोई नहीं आएगा. So learn this. Get yourself prepared mentally. और जब तक इस बात को लेकर आप मेंटली प्रिपेयर नहीं होगे तब तक यू कांट डू इट. पता है क्या होता है? आई टेल यू द फंडा. जब कोई लड़ने लगता है ना, हमें ऐसे लगता है भाई तो लड़ रहा है, तो चिल्ला रहा है, डर जाते हैं, ऐसे हाथ पैर कांपने लगते हैं. बट क्यों? अपने लिए बोल रहे हो, अपने हक के लिए बोल रहे हो, किसी पड़ोसी के लिए बोल रहे हो, तो अपने लिए तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा. नहीं बोल सकते ना, जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर सकते. कसम से कह रही हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. फायदा नहीं है आपको जिंदगी जीने का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, सॉरी. Okay, there's so many highs on my day, on my question box. So hi everyone who's sent me hi, and the person like specifically hi Lakshita Makkar. So hi from Lakshita Makkar. Okay. This is a very awkward question. Best thing to have when you're hungry. You can munch at the quarantine chal raha hai, so I munch on Maggie, nachos. I've got this very healthy version of nachos, which is like palak nachos, quinoa nachos, very yum but very healthier option. And you can munch on I don't know. I eat anything and everything, whatever I like. पता नहीं यार, ऐसे कुछ भी खा लेती हूँ उठा के जो मिल जाता है. आई एम अ स्वीट टीथ, तो मैं मीठा बहुत ज्यादा खा लेती हूँ, तो कुछ भी खा लेती हूँ यार उठा के. What do you consider a perfect day for you? My perfect day is when I go for shopping, I have my favorite coffee in hand, I eat a good yummy pizza or pasta, and that's like I spend time with them. That's like the best day. That's like the best day. That's a perfect day. But the statement for perfect day has certainly changed for me recently. Like मतलब थोड़ा ऐसा हुआ कि कुछ बहुत स्पेशल हुआ, तो मुझे लगा कि वो बहुत परफेक्ट था मेरे लिए. So I'll tell you, I went to Jaipur. I'll be uploading the vlog soon. जब तक आप ये वीडियो देखो तब तक नहीं आएंगे, वीडियो के नेक्स्ट आएंगे, ठीक है, तो वो भी देखना. तो I went to Jaipur this time. So I went to the small World Trade Park. I entered the mall. I saw Swarovski and I was like, I want it, and I got it. So that was like the perfect date for me. So ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजों में I find myself the perfect things and make myself happy. So that's how it happens. What makes you feel grateful? Grateful. Okay, sorry. What makes me feel grateful? I'll tell you. I feel grateful for everything I have. You know, whatever you have and whatever you're living for and whatever you're gonna get is all about how you work on it. So I am grateful for the t-shirt I'm wearing. I'm grateful for the clips. I'm grateful for my hair. I'm grateful for everything that I have today. You should always look at the people who are on the lower status than you, not the higher ones. If you look ऊपर ना, तो you will never be grateful. If you look इधर या नीचे ना अपने से, you'll be always be grateful. Just think of the people who don't even get food to eat. You're getting a good food to eat. You're getting a good meal. You get 3 meals a day. So you're grateful for it. Be happy for it. Thank God that you have it. So these are the small little things that I am grateful for. And the most important thing I am always happy about is I know how to stand for myself, my family, and maybe I am wrong sometimes, but I do it and I'm always proud of it. So I don't regret it at all. So that's the one and the most important thing that I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for everything that I have today and can have in future because I'm working towards it. So whatever you want to have, whatever you want to do in life, whatever you want to be grateful for, just work on it. Just don't stop yourself, don't restrict yourself, just work on it and you will get it like booba. मतलब टाइम लगता है बट हर चीज मिलती है. Never say never. Greatest accomplishment of your life. I'm not gonna share this. I have a very great accomplishment that I feel is the best thing that I've God, but I want that to get completed पहले पूरा हो जाए उसके बाद I'll tell you guys. अभी थोड़ा टर्न है, मतलब ऐसे अभी यार पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाए तब I'll tell you. What do you value the most in friendship? I value the most is respect, support. I don't want support from money. I want sensible, physical, mental support, not पैसे वाला support. I want mental support, basically, not in physical, mental support बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए होता है मुझे. कई बार मैं भी लो फील करती हूँ, मेरे भी 2 फ्रेंड्स हैं, बात करती हूँ, अपनी सारी भड़ास निकाली, खत्म काम. So that's the best part about it. And one thing that I expect more from friendship is this: you should be loyal. You should be very loyal being friends. There should be no cheating in that. It should be like very loyal. If you guys are friends, you should continue being friends. If you are talking to each other, you should talk to each other like forever. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि भाई सामने वाला बंदा कोई प्रॉब्लम में है and you like अब मैं बात नहीं करूँगा, जा तो यहाँ से. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. इट्स लाइक अगर वो बंदा प्रॉब्लम में, लड़ाई भी हो रखी है तो जाओ बात करो. ठीक है, लड़ाई बाद में सॉर्ट हो जाएगी, बट दैट थिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट आई फील. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रोल ऑफ लव एंड अफेक्शन इन माई लाइफ. लव तो भाई बहुत ज्यादा है, मैं लव और अफेक्शन में तो बहुत ज्यादा हूँ. So love and affection plays a very major role in my life. सबकी लाइफ में करता है, तुम लोग की लाइफ में करता होगा. एंड उसको बेटर कैसे करें इज दस that if you love something, love it to the most. If you are like attached to something, be attached to the most. If you aren't, don't be at all. This is the funda that I use, and the funda that you want to use, you can. What would okay, these are like थोड़े awkward questions, but I'm gonna answer them because मैं ये पिछली बार से ignore कर रही हूँ. Would you like to be famous? Obviously, anybody and everybody would like to be famous in any way. And I think I'm getting famous because I've been getting to meet people in like Jaipur. I went to Jaipur, so I met 2 of my subscribers, and I was like so happy about it. I was like, I am getting famous. Slowly and steadily you grow at the end of the day. So that's the best part. Next question is, if peanut butter wasn't called peanut butter, what would it be called? पीनट बटर को पीनट बटर ने क्या बोला? सोचो. Peanut butter wouldn't be called peanut butter, so what it would have been called? If peanut butter was not peanut butter, what would it have been called? What? मूंगफली का मक्खन. Nice name, right? So अगर peanut butter को peanut butter नहीं बोलते तो मूंगफली का मक्खन बोल देते, और हिंदी में ही अंग्रेजों को सिखा देते कि peanut butter का नाम मूंगफली का मक्खन है. Simple and sorted. Coming to the next and the last question that I'm gonna answer for today. What is the craziest thing that I've done? Bunking all the college classes and then giving stupid bahanas and getting into extra classes and all that shit. ये बहुत crazy नहीं था, but it's not crazy. मैंने क्या किया मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा अभी. It's like a very instant question to me. तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. I'll have to recall this, so I'll answer this in the next video. मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. What is the craziest thing that I've done? क्या किया है मैंने ऐसा? अब शॉपिंग इन द मॉल हमेशा करती हूँ. आई येल अ लॉट करती हूँ. क्या किया मैंने? There's nothing as craziest that I've done recently और मुझे याद आ रहा है. So the craziest thing that I can relate to at the moment is bunking classes, having fun. One moment I remember, I was kicked out of a AO class, accommodation operation class, and I stood on the door peeping inside the class from the mirror and just jumping on it and telling my teacher to get me in. I just had a video of it. It was like so crazy and so funny, and I was like, लड़की कर क्या रही है? That was a good moment that I had. अभी recent वाला मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा because quarantine चल रहा है ना, कुछ करा ही नहीं जीवन में ऐसा अच्छा. तो अगर याद आएगा तो next video में बताऊंगी. Anyways, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this more retro talk, And if you do, please like, share, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Lakshita Makkar. And thank you for coming back for more retro episode 3. Lots of love. And please एक बात मेरी सारे कान खोल के सुन लो. 15 दिन में हमें 200 सब्सक्राइबर्स करने हैं, तो वीडियो देख रहे हो सब्सक्राइब करो, और पसंद नहीं आए तो नीचे कमेंट छोड़ो. क्वेश्चन पूछना है कमेंट छोड़ो. ये क्या मतलब होता है? मैं आती हूँ, बोलती हूँ, चली जाती हूँ, कोई कमेंट नहीं, कोई लाइक नहीं, कोई शेयर नहीं. क्या मतलब है ये? आई वॉन्ट यू ऑल टू डू दैट. ठीक है? ओके बाय.